CBO going in here. Yeah, pretty soon they're going to have a lot of retail stuff in here. We're just going to take a little ride around in here, see what's happening. Okay, it looks like a bank in there. Oh, what's going on here? Oh. This is the first time I've actually been into this complex here. Looks like a bakery going in there. This is the one building I've been curious about. I kept thinking maybe a swimming pool, but I don't know. I don't see anything that resembles a swimming pool in there, so I guess I was wrong. What else do we got in here? Let's kind of cruise around. See what we can see here. Little breezy today, a little cool. Hey, can we get out this way? Let's go down in here. Very interesting. Very interesting. I guess there's underground parking by the looks of it. Oh, bone and biscuits, so a place for pets. Yeah, we were going to go out and fly today, but she's pretty breezy, so this will be a good test for the DJI Mic 2. And yeah, it's really cool. I've been able to link the I don't know if you're allowed to go down here. We're going to go down here, see what happens. But I've managed to link up the Mic 2 to my Ace Pro and to the X3, which is kind of cool because these are two cameras that I pretty much use all the time. It's really windy right now. We'll probably hear the wind on the Ace Pro, which is on my helmet. And we've connected the Mic 2 to the X3. Yeah, this complex, they've been working on it for the last couple of years. I've never been in here. I've flown over here quite a few times. It's they still have a lot of building to do in here. I'm not sure what's happening with these areas with the water, whether they're going to make something with it or if they're eventually going to drain it like they've done in other areas in here before they started building. I think we're gonna go down here where they have the townhomes. There's the lake there. Geez, my eyes are watering up. It's you can really feel the wind here. I wonder how the DJI mic is going to do with all this wind. I have the wind muff on it, so I'm hoping that it does a good job. Yeah, that area over there has had water in there ever since the construction. I don't know if they're ever going to get rid of it. I have a feeling the water is coming in from the lake. And there's all the townhomes they're building there. Somebody parked up here. I don't know if it's a worker. Yeah, we're just kind of checking it out. I don't see anyone. Yeah, so here's a good close-up. We've done a lot of flying around here, guys. You check out my other footage there. You can see it from the aerial view, right? Okay, the guy is honking the horn at me, but I'm going to be leaving anyway. I guess you're not supposed to be in here. Yeah, I guess you're not supposed to be in here. Okay, so we have to exit here somewhere. I don't know how you exit here. Okay, I guess you can't exit here. I hope I can exit over here. Exit back. Hopefully. No, I can't. I guess not. So. Hi. I didn't know you weren't allowed in here. Huh?
Why did you came here?
Oh, I just wanted to.
I was warning you to.
Yeah,
stop
well, I figured I would leave.
These are for purpose.
Yeah.
Why did you trespass?
But when I heard you honking, I figured I'll go back to the street. I was just over here.
But you see, this is blocked. This is for a purpose.
Yeah, well, I'm just looking around. That's all. I'm not doing anything else.
Okay, no
Right?
worries, but not safe here. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries.
Well, the security there just took a picture of me, so. But as you've seen, I wasn't doing anything. I don't see any signs that say no trespassing. And like I said, all we're doing is just looking around. Just looking around. Yep. underground garage, I guess. They have the fans moving around in there. Oh, there's going to be an ice cream shop here. Oh, what's this? Oh, that food looks good. A bistro. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, guys, that's all we wanted to do. We just wanted to come in and just kind of look around, take a look, see. I was more curious about here. I actually thought that this was going to be a swimming pool just because of the way the roof is, but it's not. It's not. Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay, let's do up our shoelace. Okay, guys, well, it's kind of windy to fly today, and we just stuck a new mount on the handlebars. We tried a couple of mounts, and every time we stick a camera on there, the camera moves all over the place. This clamp here seems to be working very nicely. As you can see, I have the X3 there, and I haven't seen it wobble. And we've been through some pretty bumpy areas, so that's good. Hi. Okay, what's in here? Oh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Hi. Oh, intercom. Oh. Well, another food place. I guess that's the ice cream, waffles, brownies, fruit, exercise, the Royal Bank. So this is great. We've had a little look around. Some more retail space in here. Well, and there's some more buildings there, as you can see in the photo. I guess those are going to be built down by the lake there. Very unusual looking buildings, but the view from there is going to be beautiful. Wow. Yeah, this is like quite a little community on its own. Yeah, they've been working on this, I would say, probably the last 2 or 3 years. And as you can see, a lot of it is still closed here. It's coming along nicely, but it's, as you can see from the traffic we get here already, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. The traffic is absolutely going to be nuts. Okay, I think we might take a little trip down to the park. Yeah, that's the thing too. The park is right down here. They put all these new sidewalks in. this blocked off here. Well, I guess the main reason for blocking a lot of it off is they don't want people in there, you know, maybe stealing equipment, tools. So I kind of get that. But anyways, it was nice to have a little tour there inside. Boy, it would have been nice to fly today, but it's just a little too windy and it keeps threatening rain here. Oh, my eyes are watering like crazy. Wind blowing in my face. We're down by the lake. You can see it's pretty choppy. Water is really choppy today. It shows you what kind of wind we're having. Wow. Starting to get a little cold on the hands, guys. And there's the complex here. You can see how close everything is to the lake here. And there'll be a few more buildings going in down here. Okay, guys, I think we're going to turn around and head home. Yeah. Yeah, she's windy and cold. Windy and cold, guys. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed that little tour through BrightWater property and a nice little visit down to the lake. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.